Everyone online is telling you that Quonset Barndominiums are cheap to build, but nobody's showing you the real numbers. Today, I'm breaking down every single cost, exposing the actual material prices for 2025, and showing you exactly what you'll spend from start to finish. No fluff, no marketing nonsense, just honest numbers. And trust me, some of these prices might shock you. Stay until the end because I'm revealing the one cost that most people completely forget about that can add $15,000 to $30,000 to your build. Before we dive into the numbers, hit that subscribe button and smash the like if you want more honest content about alternative housing. Drop a comment below with your dream barndo size, and let me know if these prices surprise you. Alright, let's expose these costs. What is a Quonset Barndominium? Quick refresher. A Quonset Barndominium is a metal building with that distinctive curved arch shape, originally designed by the military in the 1940s. You're basically taking a prefab steel structure and converting it into a home. The big selling point is that they're supposed to be affordable, fast to build, and incredibly durable. But how affordable are they really in 2025? Let's find out. The steel price situation in 2025. First, we need to talk about what's happening with steel prices right now, because this massively affects your costs. Here's the honest truth. Steel prices skyrocketed during 2021 and 2022 due to COVID supply chain issues. The good news is that prices have been trending downward through late 2024 and into 2025 as supply has improved. However, and this is important, recent tariff increases on imported steel from 25% to 50% are putting upward pressure on prices again. What this means for you: steel prices are more stable than they were a few years ago, but they're not dropping significantly. Domestic steel producers are raising prices because they no longer need to compete with cheaper imports. If you're planning to build in 2025, lock in your pricing now before the next round of increases hits. This is critical timing. Quonset Kit prices. The shell. Let's start with the Quonset Kit itself, which is your weatherproof shell. This includes the steel arch panels, fasteners, and assembly instructions. For a 30 by 40 building at 1,200 square feet, the kit package costs approximately $21,800. That breaks down to about $18 per square foot for just the kit. For a 40 by 60 building at 2,400 square feet, you're looking at $31,000 to $48,000 for the kit. The price range varies based on gauge thickness, which depends on your local wind and snow load requirements. Buildings in areas with heavy snow or high winds need thicker steel, which costs more. That's roughly $13 to $20 per square foot for the kit alone. For larger builds, a 50 by 80 at 4,000 square feet runs about $52,000 to $75,000 for the kit, or $13 to $19 per square foot. Notice how the price per square foot drops as you go bigger. This is one advantage of scaling up. End walls, the hidden cost. Here's where many people get surprised. The basic Quonset kit doesn't include finished end walls with doors and windows. You need custom end walls, and this is not cheap. For a 30 by 40 building, custom end walls with residential windows and a door cost around $4,000. For a 40 by 60 building, you're looking at $8,000 to $12,000 for end walls with multiple windows, doors, and garage door openings. This is material only. If you're hiring someone to build these custom walls, add another $2,000 to $4,000 in labor. Most people completely underestimate this cost, and it can blow your budget if you're not prepared. Foundation costs. Every Quonset needs a foundation, and concrete isn't cheap in 2025. For a standard 4-inch concrete slab, you're paying $5 to $10 per square foot. A 30 by 40 building needs a 1,200 square foot slab, costing $6,000 to $12,000. A 40 by 60 building at 2,400 square feet costs $12,000 to $24,000 for the foundation. If you're adding shop space or planning to park vehicles inside, you'll need a thicker 6-inch reinforced slab, which costs $6 to $14 per square foot. That pushes a 40 by 60 foundation to $14,400 to $33,600. Foundation costs vary dramatically by region, soil conditions, and site preparation requirements. Get multiple quotes. Assembly and erection. Can you DIY this? Yes, technically. Quonset kits are designed for owner assembly. A 30 by 40 can be erected in 2 to 4 days with help. A 40 by 60 takes 4 to 6 days with a crew. If you have no construction experience, double these times and expect challenges. Professional assembly costs $10 to $15 per square foot. For a 30 by 40, that's $12,000 to $18,000 for labor. For a 40 by 60, expect $24,000 to $36,000. Many people choose a hybrid approach. Hire pros for the steel erection, but handle the interior themselves. Insulation, absolutely critical. This is non-negotiable for a livable space. You cannot skip proper insulation. Metal buildings without insulation are uninhabitable. They turn into ovens in summer and freezers in winter, and they develop serious condensation problems that lead to rust and mold. Spray foam insulation is the gold standard for Quonset structures because it conforms to the curved walls and creates an airtight seal. Costs range from $1.50 to $5 per square foot of surface area. For a 40 by 60 building, you're insulating approximately 4,800 square feet of surface area, including walls and ceiling, costing $7,200 to $24,000. Most builders recommend R21 rated spray foam for climate control and moisture prevention. This is expensive but essential. Budget $8,000 to $25,000 for proper insulation, depending on your building size. Interior finishing costs. This is where costs explode if you're not careful. Interior finishing for a Quonset Barndominium ranges from $50 to $120 per square foot, depending on finish level. Budget finish at $50 to $70 per square foot includes basic drywall, standard flooring like vinyl plank, builder-grade kitchen and bathroom, basic electrical and plumbing, and simple HVAC. For a 1,200 square foot interior, that's $60,000 to $84,000. For 2,400 square feet, you're looking at $120,000 to $168,000. Mid-range finish at $75 to $100 per square foot includes better flooring, upgraded kitchen cabinets and countertops, improved bathroom fixtures, enhanced electrical with more outlets and lighting, and quality HVAC system. A 2,400 square foot interior costs $180,000 to $240,000 at this level. High-end luxury finish at $100 to $120+ per square foot includes hardwood or luxury tile flooring, custom kitchen with premium appliances, spa-quality bathrooms, extensive lighting and smart home features, and high-efficiency HVAC. You're looking at $240,000 to $288,000+ for 2,400 square feet of luxury interior. Specific interior cost breakdown. Let me break down the individual interior costs so you know exactly where your money goes. Drywall installation costs $1.50 to $3.50 per square foot. For curved walls, you'll pay on the higher end because it's more labor intensive. Spray foam insulation we covered, $1.50 to $5 per square foot. Flooring costs $4 to $15+ per square foot installed, depending on material. Vinyl plank is cheapest. Hardwood is most expensive. Interior painting costs $1 to $6 per square foot. HVAC installation costs $7,000 to $16,000 for a new system with ductwork. Plumbing costs $7,000 to $15,000 for a complete residential system. Electrical work costs $10,000 to $30,000 depending on complexity and whether you need upgraded service. Interior doors cost $155 to $688 each installed. Exterior doors cost $300 to $1,900 each. Kitchen appliances cost $2,500 to $6,800 for a complete set. Windows are a big expense with Quonset structures because you're installing them in custom end walls or cutting into the curved steel. Budget $5,000 to $15,000 total for quality windows, depending on how many you want. Real-world example, 40 by 60 complete build. Let's put this all together with a realistic example. You want a 40 by 60 Quonset Barndominium with 2,400 square feet, finished at a mid-range level. Kit package, $38,000. Custom end walls with windows and doors, $10,000. Foundation 4-inch slab, $18,000. Professional assembly, $28,000. Shell total, $94,000. Spray foam insulation, $15,000. Interior framing and drywall, $14,400. Flooring, $19,200. Kitchen and bathrooms, $35,000. Electrical, $18,000. Plumbing, $12,000. HVAC, $12,000. Doors, trim, paint, $15,000. Interior total, $140,600. Additional costs include permits and engineering at $3,000 to $5,000. Well and septic for rural locations at $15,000 to $35,000. Utility connections at $5,000 to $15,000. Driveway at $5,000 to $12,000. And landscaping at $3,000 to $8,000. Additional total, $31,000 to $75,000. Grand total, $265,600 to $309,600. That's approximately $111 to $129 per square foot turnkey for a quality mid-range build. This is the honest reality of what you'll spend. Comparing to traditional construction. Is this actually cheaper than traditional construction? Yes, but not by as much as some people claim. Traditional stick-built homes cost $180 to $280 per square foot in 2025. You're saving $50 to $150 per square foot with a Quonset Barndominium, which adds up to significant money on a full home. A traditional 2,400 square foot home costs $432,000 to $672,000. Your Quonset at $265,000 to $310,000 saves you $122,000 to $362,000. That's real money. Regional cost variations. Location matters enormously. Texas Barndominium costs run $68 to $168 per square foot. Midwest states like Missouri and Kansas cost $70 to $150 per square foot. Mountain states with heavy snow loads cost $80 to $170 per square foot. Coastal areas cost $90 to $200+ per square foot due to hurricane wind requirements. California costs $120 to $250+ per square foot due to stringent codes and high labor costs. The forgotten cost that kills budgets. Here's the cost nobody talks about that I promise to reveal: site preparation and utilities. If you're building on raw land, these costs are massive. Bringing in electricity costs $5,000 to $15,000 depending on distance. Drilling a well costs $5,000 to $15,000 depending on depth. Installing a septic system costs $10,000 to $20,000. Grading and site prep costs $5,000 to $20,000 depending on terrain. Driveway installation costs $5,000 to $15,000. Total site and utility costs $30,000 to $85,000. People budget for the building, but forget about making the land buildable and livable. This is where budgets explode. Honest assessment. Is it worth it? Quonset Barndominiums in 2025 cost $65 to $160 per square foot turnkey for quality construction. They're definitely cheaper than traditional homes, but they're not dirt cheap. You'll save 30 to 50% compared to stick-built construction if you're smart about it. The value proposition is strongest if you already own suitable land with utilities. You're willing to do some DIY work. You want a durable, low-maintenance structure, and you appreciate the unique aesthetic. The value is weakest if you need to purchase land and install all utilities. You're hiring out every aspect of construction. You're in an expensive labor market, or you need extensive customization. My honest take: if you can keep your total cost under $120 per square foot turnkey, you're getting excellent value. Between $120 and $150 per square foot, you're getting fair value, but not dramatically cheaper than traditional construction. Over $150 per square foot, you need to seriously question whether a Quonset is the right choice. The bottom line is this: a quality Quonset Barndominium with proper insulation, good finishes, and professional work will cost you $250,000 to $350,000 for a 2,000 to 2,500 square foot home in 2025. Yes, that's cheaper than traditional construction. No, it's not the $100,000 build that some YouTube videos promise, unless you're doing massive amounts of DIY work and accepting very basic finishes. Go into this with realistic expectations. Budget conservatively. Get multiple quotes. And always add 15 to 20% contingency for unexpected costs, because they will happen. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest construction content, and drop a comment telling me what size Quonset you're considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.